Everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping 2020 Topps Chrome Sapphire Baseball 10-box break number 5 random teams. We have Adam W. Brewers, AJ A. Rays, Bradley W. Red Sox Rockies, Brian G. Giants Yankees, Byron C. Tigers, Chris L. Astros, Connor M. Dodgers, Douglas M. D-backs Twins Marlins, Edward L. Royals, Eric F. Blue Jays, Joseph D. Nats Orioles, Joseph M. Mariners, Judson C. Indians, Kevin B. Cubs, Mark M. Braves, Martin Z. Rangers, Michael G. A's, Timothy H. Padres White Sox, that's Timothy H. And then Timothy K. Mets, Tom D. Phillies Pirates, Tyler G. Angels Cardinals, and William L. Reds. Good luck. We have Bowman Chrome Choice up after this. Just 4 spots to go. Last I checked that. And Zenith Football Random Divisions had 5 to go. Everything else is sold out for the night. Sam Hilliard, rookie. Moncada, AJ Pollock, Sam Tuivalela. Thor, Bogarts, Ben Gamel, Tyler Mahle. Haney, Royals, and this is Blue Jays. Rookie auto, Anthony K. Nightbot. Yeah. Carlos Rodon. Soroka, Jay Bruce, orange. 25 Phillies. Ryan McBroom, rookie. Brandon Drury. Danny Jansen, Michael Conforto, Hector Neris, Joey Lucchesi. I don't know if we will or not, Ryan. It's Oscar Mercado, Garrett Cole, it's Jose Quintana, Chase Anderson. Tim Anderson, Trey Turner, Steven Motts, Gio Gonzalez, John Means, Justin Verlander, Kyle Garlick, rookie, CJ Cron. All right. Bowman Chrome Choice is up after this. Pick your team style. Just 2 to go. Twins and A's at 59 each. It's Jake Rogers, rookie. Brandon Lau, Dakota Hudson, Miguel Andujar. Miles Michaelis, Griffin Canning, and a redemption. Ooh, nice. Padres, rookie autograph, red sapphire parallel, Trent Grisham, big hit, San Diego, congrats.
Timothy H.
Timothy H, the Padres.
Huge.
The Reds, I don't know if the red is to 5 or to 10. Either way, big card. Congrats, Padres. Would you mark that, please? Freddie Galvis. That's a nice start.
Because purple's the 10 on this one. So.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Rookie, Gavin Lux. There you go, Dodgers. We're on a roll here. And rookie, orange. Could you make that, please? 25, Tom Eshelman. It's Matt Carpenter. Jacob Wakes pack. Tony Gonsolin, rookie. Eddie Rosario. Hansel Robles. Yandy Diaz. What's up, Grizzle? What's up, Brandon? How you guys doing? Rafael Devers, Austin Barnes, Kevin Kramer, and Lurie Garcia. What's up, Rich? It is to 5 on the Grisham. That's awesome. It's Masahiro Tanaka, Blue Jays, DJ Stewart, Starling Marte. I just made a new one. No, it was hang on. Joey Gallo, Michael Chavis, Kenley Jansen, and that is Martin Maldonado. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I'll take a look. I'll see if I can reorder them. Chris Paddock, Carlos Martinez, Jordan Zimmerman, Anthony DeSclafani. All right, let me check something out here, guys. All right. Yeah, I'll mess with it here in a minute. Next one is PYT styles. So Mike Soroka, Carson Kelly, and orange, Mike Voltanevich, 25. Kristen Stewart. Yeah, I know what you're saying. When I was hitting that shortcut to switch screens, it was switching over to the Tonight Sheet. Justin Verlander, Trevor Richards. So I'll have to close that out and try to reorder it. And this is Blue Jays again. Rookie auto, Anthony K. It's Josh James. Michael Conforto. Tyler Chatwood. Justin Verlander. Manny Margot. All right, cool. Sounds good. Brandon Workman. Shogo Akiyama, Chad Green, James Paxton, Marcus Semien, Revved Up, Nationals, Rich Hill, Carlos Carrasco, Tim Anderson, Oscar Mercado, Rowan Wick, Robbie Grossman. All right, yep, I got it. Thanks, Rich. Buster Posey, Darwinzon Hernandez. That is orange. Tigers team card, 25. Go Detroit, and Gio Gonzalez. John Means. Role reversal. That is Glaber and Lindor. Yeah. So that'd be Yankees 1, 2, 3. Indians 4, 5, 6. It's 2. That goes Yankees. It's Phillies team card and Will Smith. All right, cool. Thanks, Rich. So guys, big release week. We have encased basketball. First off the line in stock for personals. We'll be doing some group breaks with that tonight. Encased hobby releases tomorrow. Also Contenders Draft Basketball and Star Wars Stellar Signatures. The high-end Star Wars product. There's Danny Jansen, Christian Walker, Ben Gamel, Rio Ruiz. Are you a Star Wars fan?
I love Star Wars.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right, cool, Brad. It's Nelson Cruz, Billy McKinney, and Rangers, rookie auto, Nick Solak. Not the Layton Sports Card Store. Brandon Drury. Moncada. And orange, Mike Clevenger to 25, Indians. It's Max Scherzer, Joey Lucchesi. Jose Abreu, Xander Bogaerts, Danny Duffy, Mike Moustakas. So I'm currently the points leader in my league.
Yeah.
Third place, but there was one time I was in first place and I ended up winning the championship, and I had the second lowest point total in my league. I would just play everybody on their worst weeks. It's Mike Soroka, Garrett Cole, Blake Parker, James Mrazek.
That annoys me to no end in fantasy.
Yeah. Justin Verlander. D-backs team card. It's Jalen Davis, rookie. Kyle Tucker. All right, everybody behave yourselves. Cortez is in the room. It's Michael Conforto. Nightbot, I really wish he'd pipe down. It's Justice Sheffield, Teoscar Hernandez, Jacob Stallings. Any Lou Bob yet? Not yet. Red Grisham, rookie auto redemption. Marcus Simeon, JT Real Muto, Josh James, James Paxton. Yeah, Nightbot needs to be cut off for the night. All right. The one thing is, look, I have pretty long arms for my height. This, I have to really stretch to get to these boxes. I'm gonna scoot them a little closer. When I rolled the dice earlier, I was like, oh, like. Yeah, Nightbot probably has a date. It's Andrew Haney, Carlos Santana, Ben Gamel, Max Scherzer.
The machines are taking over.
Billy McKinney.
Here we go.
This is Giants. Rookie auto, Mauricio Dubon. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm just going to make a new tab for each of the results. It's Kyle Garlick, rookie. Brandon Drury. Garrett Cole. Michael Waka, purple to 10. Blake Parker, Joey Lucchesi. Yeah, I'll just create a new tab on a single spreadsheet for each of the results. Or actually, you're doing that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Forrest is doing it.
Print it anyway.
Yeah, so Forrest is doing that, so we'll be able to upload all the results after that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Just new tabs. It's Danny Jansen, Danny Duffy, Justice Sheffield, Jake Mrazek. Rays added Brett Phillips to their World Series roster. It's Christian Walker, Mike Leake, Jalen Davis, rookie, Mike Moustakas. Yeah, I think Forrest already has a lot of it printed out. So he said we can print out everything but Zenith.
Is Joy sold out, I'm guessing?
So Moncada.
Let me check on that.
D-backs team card, Jacob Stallings, Kyle Tucker.
Can we print out the choice?
Nelson Cruz. Yeah, we're just printing one other one out. Yeah, I won't. Xander Bogaerts, JT Real Muto, Travis Darno.
There's also lock tab stuff.
Yeah. Jose Abreu, James Karinchak, rookie, Teoscar Hernandez, Lewis Brinson. Yeah, these boxes, they're not really packed out like a case. Usually they're consumed by the box. Justin Dunn. DJ LeMahieu. Dylan Moore. Orioles team card. Purple to 10. That is Astros rookie auto. Abraham Toro. Go Houston. There's Didi. Jake Odorizzi. Blake Trinan. Colin Moran. Jordan Luplow. Lucas Sims. Stephen Voigt. Mitch Haniger. Brian Anderson. Mariners team card, and J.A. Happ. Jonathan Daza rookie. Tim Lopes rookie. Anibal Sanchez. Austin Hedges. Cool, thanks Rich. Aaron Savali rookie. Victor Reyes, Mitch Garver, Cal Quantrill. Yeah, I looked at it and I was like, this seems to me like it's probably a PHP issue, but I'll let the pros take care of it. Just kidding. Liam Hendricks.
I have all of them but Zenith.
What's it?
I have all the.
Yeah, we have all but Zenith printed out. Jeremy Jeffress, David Dahl, Chris Davis. Nice, Mike. Tyler Alexander. Orange Cole Calhoun, 25. Austin Voth. White Sox team card. Oh, nice. There's Ronald Acuna. Austin Ola rookie. Ian Kennedy. Billy Hamilton. Austin Meadows. Cubs. And Rangers. Rookie auto. Nick Solak. Young Gomes. Close call. That is Twins and Tigers. Left 1, 2, 3, right 4, 5, 6. Twins, Tigers. 5 is right, Tigers. It's Wade Miley. Jacob Eunice. Tyler O'Neill. Ian Happ. Rockies team card. Derek Dietrich. Adam Ottavino. Star Gratterall and a super. Padres. Superfractor. Team card. That is Fernando Tatis Jr. And I think that's Manny Margot. There you go, San Diego. Awesome break for the Padres. Very nice. Jake Arrieta. David Price. That'll go nicely with your Trent Grisham red rookie auto redemption. There's Mauricio Dubon rookie. Josh Naylor. Frankie Montas. Josh Donaldson. Anthony K rookie. Trey Turner. Merrill Kelly. Jose Peraza. Oh, did they, Schlager? It's Patrick Corbin, Michelle Baez, rookie. Michael Kopech, Rick Porcello. How you doing? Okay. Yeah, it should, Chris. Zach Collins, rookie. Tony Walters. Kurt Suzuki. Brett Gardner. Aaron Nola. Bobby Bradley, rookie. Steven Duggar. Ryan Barucki. Pete Alonso. Dom Nunez, rookie. Tucker Barnhart. Ryan O'Hearn. Famous for being buddies. Tommy Edman. Randy Dobnak, rookie. Jonathan Hernandez. Michael Givens. Yeah, it must be Gronk. It's Jonathan VR. Mitch Garver. Dude, Nightbot. Adam Hazley and Jose Abreu. I need to fix Nightbot, guys, as soon as this breaks over.
It's like 10 minutes or something.
Yeah. Jeff Samardzija. That is Padres, rookie auto, Andres Munoz. Go San Diego. There's Gary Sanchez. Getting ready to miss the ball. Kenta Maeda.
Hey man, the 1 out of 10 times he does that, it goes like 450 feet.
Mm-hmm. Dan Vogelbach. Rookie Tyler Alexander. Patrick Sandoval, rookie. Eduardo Escobar. Mike Zunino. And Chance Sisco, orange to 25. That's Orioles color match. Angels team card, Brett Phillips. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate it. Jake the Rake. Kevin Biggio. Josh Begley. Daniel Murphy. Cubs. Nick Solak, rookie. Brad Hand. And Domingo Santana, orange to 25. Josh Van Meter. Manny Machado. A's team card. And that's Mariners rookie auto, Justin Dunn. Tom Murphy. Say that 10 times real fast. Let me give it a shot. Your band. Got it. Nailed it. Ronald Guzman. Clint Frazier. Joey Wendell. Padres. Wilson Ramos. Chris Davis. Nelson Lamet. Blue Jays. It's so weird that they're starting to I mean, I get it, but Fitzpatrick was playing really well. Nice. Rookie, Bo Bichette. There you go, Blue Jays. Nice one, Toronto. Nick Castellanos, Kelvin Herrera, Mike Clevenger. Opening a spa. I'm not opening a spa. Carlos Santana, Joe Ross, Brewers, Twins. All right. Luis Arias, Christian Walker, Malik Smith, Jake Fraley, rookie. Last box. So Bowman Chrome Choice is up next. David Bednar, Jed Lowry, Tommy LaSalla, Marwin Gonzalez. Dustin May, rookie. Jose Ramirez, purple to 10. Giancarlo Stanton, Rock Holt. Kyle Schwarber. It's Orange Twins team card. G-Man Choi. Yandy Diaz. Andrew Benintendi. Tyler Beede. G-Man Choi, purple, 10. Chris Sale. Nelson Cruz, Tyler Flowers, Tanner Rourke, Mike Moustakas. Buster Posey, Justice Sheffield, Dallas Keuchel, Michael Brosseau, rookie. Matt Theus, rookie. Aaron Hicks, Emilio Pagan, Phillip Ervin. All right, last pack. Let's finish with something cool here. It's David Bodie, Kevin Crone, Yoenis Cespedes, Rangers. All right, that'll do it for the break. Good stuff. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. Bowman Chrome Choice is up next.